called as elbow and knee. Yukta, start. Yes. 2. Just a second, Yukta. One way. The correct way of doing this is like this. You come front. You don't hit. You don't go left or right. You don't come inside. You come like this. That's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start. 1. The hand, if you can see, it's kept right here. Keep it like this. Instead of holding, keep it like this and start. 1. Perfect. You can stretch a little bit more. Yes, this should come a little bit ahead. See this. I'm coming much ahead. Yes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and time. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Which I need to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.